Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing transcripts in Thai court proceedings. And I thought of making this video. I've made a number of videos. I like to kind of do comparative law because Thai law is so unique. I find it fascinating. I learn new stuff about Thai law all the time. I'm very much a student of Thai law. And definitely, I've never claimed to be an absolute expert. All of these videos are for informational purposes only, and sometimes I make videos as I find out cool stuff. This is something I've known for a while, but it really didn't dawn on me that it was something that maybe it was like video worthy. Thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled Pattaya City Expats Club, Staying Safe Legally in Thailand in 2023. I believe the speaker in this case was Mr. Barry Kenyon. I've mentioned him before. This guy's like a living legend in Thailand, especially in Pattaya. A lot of the stuff, I never really tend to cite authors. I just cite the publication when we quote things here on the channel. But, over time I've kind of realized, wow, you cite him a lot. Well, I cite him a lot because he's a great resource, great man, and very interesting guy. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out this article in detail because there's a lot of information in there. But quoting directly, some other differences is there is no transcript of the testimony, and legal precedence does not play as important a part, with judges having wide latitude on judging a case as well as in imposing sentences. Well, regarding precedence, it really doesn't exist in any meaningful way that we would use it in the common law vernacular. Yes, Supreme Court cases carry a lot of weight here in Thailand, but even that, it's not a apples to apples comparison when you're looking at like stare decisis in a common law context. However, meanwhile, what's interesting, and the reason for the video is, no testimony transcripts. The court, that's sort of the function of the judge. It's really interesting, Thai court proceedings that I've at least been witness to, where the judge sort of transcribes the fact-finding and starts making conclusions of law via the orders and the judgments of the court and the opinions of the court. It's a very interesting differentiation between the way it works in the common law system where everything is transcribed, it's all on the record, to the Thai system where the actual oral testimony is sort of filtered through the judge, through the judiciary. And then oftentimes, in the last proceeding I saw, he had a dictaphone and he was on the bench and he was saying things into the dictaphone. And then we found out, the final findings, when we read the final judgment. So it is a big difference. It is a major difference between the two systems when you look at sort of the common law system versus the Thai law system, where there aren't these transcripts. They don't have a transcriptionist. They call it a court reporter in the American vernacular, where you have this person sitting there sort of transcribing everything that's going on in the proceedings. That just simply does not exist in the Thai proceedings. It's done in a different way.